welcome to Advik channel. I am Advik from Advik channel. So today we are going to learn base word, prefix and suffix. So let's begin. Yes, today we are going to learn base word, prefix and suffix. So base word means base word is. So let's go to our first question. So it is asking for what is suffix of unhappiness. So what is suffix? So you can see suffix means which comes after the base word. So you can see the base word of this is happy. You can see happy, and the suffix of this word is done. So the suffix is ness. So you can see. So the ness is the right answer, guys, of this question. So let's move on to our next question. So guys, this is our next question. So what is the base word in unspeakable? So what is the base word? So you can see this is prefix and this is suffix. So the base word is speak, because I have tell you the prefix means which come before the base word, and the suffix means which come after the base word. So the right answer is speak, guys. So let's go to our next question. So what is the base word in immovable? So you can see immovable. So the im is the prefix of this, and able is the suffix of this. So the right answer is move. So the right answer is move, guys, of this question, because the prefix means which come before the base word, and suffix means which come after the base word. So let's go to our next question. So you can see what if prefix in unvariable. So you can see unvariable. So this is the base word where, and able is a base word, and able is suffix, and prefix is un. So un is the right answer of this question, guys. So let's move on to our next question. So what is suffix in unfairness? So what is suffix in unfairness? So suffix, you can see this is fair is base word, and un is prefix, and ness is suffix. So it is asking for suffix, and ness is suffix. So the right answer is ness, guys. So let's go on to our next question. So what is prefix in unusually? So you can see usually usual is our base word here, and li is our suffix here, and done is our prefix here. So the right answer is done, guys. So let's move on to our next question. So this question is what is suffix in refillable? So it is asking for suffix. Re is prefix, fill is base word, and able is suffix. So it is asking for suffix. So able is the right answer of this question, guys. So let's move on to our next question. So what is base word in unfixable? So un is prefix, able is suffix, and fix is a base word. So it is asking for base word. So fix is the right answer, guys. So let's move on to our next question. So what is prefix in prepayment? So you can see pay is a base word here, and ment is a suffix here, and pre is a prefix here. So it is asking for prefix. So pre is the prefix, guys. So the pre is the right answer of this question. Let's move on to our last question. So what is suffix in unhappily? Happy is a base word here, and un is prefix here, and li is the suffix here. So it is asking for suffix. So first answer is right. Li is the right answer of this question, guys. Hope you enjoyed this session. Please like,